how many photographers and videographers do you actually need to perfectly capture your wedding day? Well, it really depends. And there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If your priority is to keep it simple and focus on the two of you, your connection, portraits, and key moments, one photographer and one videographer can be enough. They'll stay close to you, follow your timeline, and capture everything that matters most. But if you want more candid shots of your guests, multiple angles during your ceremony, or more emotional depth, adding a second shooter makes a big difference. It lets us cover more ground, tell a fuller story, and catch little moments that one camera simply can't be in two places to get. And during emotional moments, like walking down the aisle, two videographers or photographers can film both of you at the same time. One captures your face, the other partner's reactions. Same goes for your family and loved ones. By the way, if this has been helpful so far, don't forget to give the video a like and leave a comment. It really helps us to know what to create more of, and we love hearing your thoughts. Let me give you a real example. If you're having an intimate wedding with about 50 guests, and you mostly want to focus on the two of you, one photographer and one videographer are usually perfect. But if you're planning a large wedding, let's say 200 guests, and you and your partner are getting ready in separate locations, then two photographers and two videographers are almost essential. Why? Because when you're in different places, we need to be in both at the same time. So nothing is missed and no one's rushing between places. One team can stay with you, the other with your partner. That way, all your memories are captured calmly and beautifully. In the end, we always look at your vision, what moments matter most to you, and what kind of memories you want to hold on to. And of course, once we understand that, we also look at your budget. We know every wedding is different, and we always try to find what will best match your needs and expectations. That's why I always suggest booking a free consultation with me. We'll talk through your timeline, your guest count, your vision, and I'll help you find the team setup that fits your day perfectly. And when you book your wedding package with us, you'll also receive a complimentary engagement session as a gift. Every wedding is different, and we are here to make sure yours is captured the way it deserves to be.